Ever wondered how some students become millionaires before they even graduate? What if I told you it's not luck, it's strategy? Stay with me because today I'm going to show you exactly how you can start your journey to earning your first $1 million even while you're still a student. Welcome to WealthWise, the place where future millionaires are made. Today's video is all about building wealth early, because the earlier you start, the bigger your success can become. Whether you're in college, high school, or just thinking about your future, these strategies can change your life. Let's dive straight into it. First, as a student, your biggest asset isn't money, it's time. You have the advantage of starting early. Compound interest, skill building, and network growth all depend on time. The sooner you start investing in yourself and in assets, the faster you can grow your wealth. Step number 1. Start a side hustle with high potential. One of the fastest ways students build serious money is through high-income side hustles. Freelancing, social media management, copywriting, graphic design, or even coding, all of these can be started with little to no upfront cost. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn make it easier than ever to find freelance work and build a client base. Step number 2. Learn high-income skills. Instead of chasing low-wage jobs, learn high-demand skills like sales, digital marketing, or web development. Companies pay thousands for skilled individuals. You can learn these skills for free or very cheap through online platforms like YouTube, Coursera, and Udemy. Knowledge is leverage. The more you know, the more you earn. Step number 3. Build personal brand early. Today, your personal brand is an asset. Start a YouTube channel, TikTok account, or blog around a topic you love and are knowledgeable about. Consistency builds audience, and audience builds income opportunities like sponsorships, product sales, and affiliate marketing. Your personal brand could be your golden ticket to millions. Step number 4. Invest small, grow big. You don't need thousands to start investing. Apps like Robinhood, Acorns, or Fidelity allow you to start with as little as $5. Start investing early in index funds, ETFs, or even fractional shares. Even small investments grow massively over time thanks to compound interest. The key is consistency, not size. Why most students fail financially? Most students never reach their financial dreams because they waste time, avoid learning new skills, and think they'll figure it out later. Later becomes never. Without a plan, it's easy to fall into debt, poor spending habits, and wasted opportunities. The solution is simple but powerful. Start now. Pick one high-income skill, start a side hustle, invest a little bit consistently, and never stop learning. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about building habits that make you rich over time. Building your first million as a student is not a fantasy. It's a strategy. With time on your side, a strong work ethic, and the right knowledge, you can achieve financial freedom faster than you ever imagined. If you found value in today's video, smash that subscribe button and join the WealthWise community. This is just the beginning of your journey to success. Let's build your future wealth one smart move at a time.